How lucky are we to live in the Taupō District?
Lucky?
It's such a great place to live that more and more people are getting in on the action. Like anywhere, we have some challenges. To meet these challenges and keep Taupō District the great place we all know and love, we need to plan ahead. Our most important planning tool is the long-term plan. It's a big deal.
I'm kind of a big deal.
Because it lays out the mahi we intend to do over the next 10 years, including what we'll do, how much it will cost, and how we'll pay for it. It sets the direction of how we'll make the Taupō rohe an even better place to live, work and play. Circumstances change, so we review the long-term plan every 3 years. In between, we have annual plans which focus on the year-to-year projects and other things we know are coming up. When the Mayor and councillors make decisions,
Hea, Mayor David here from Taupo in New Zealand.
the long-term plan is their most important tool. Deciding how to spend rates is no walk in the park. It's a constant balancing act. That's why knowing what matters most to you is a big help. Find out more about the long-term plan at taupo.govt.nz/LTP.